just getting ready to go to my grandma's house because that is where my sewing room creative space is currently. I'm also going out for dinner later with my boyfriend's cousins, so I'm kind of just getting ready. Not sure what I'm doing with my hair yet. I thought I'd just chat with you guys a little bit because I've been thinking about maybe doing more vlog like style videos as I haven't been sewing as much. Kind of just want to share a bit of my life with you guys. So I think moving forward, I'm gonna have my channel be like a mix of vlogs and DIY tutorials and things like that. Just, you know, a creative space for myself. And I hope you guys will be able to join me on that journey. Just gonna have a chill day. I did yoga this morning already. Really nice. I really needed that. I went to an aerial silks class 2 days ago and it kicked my butt. I used to do aerial sports like silks, pole, and hoop a lot, like pre-pandemic. And although I remember how to do a lot of it, like my muscles aren't where they used to be. I also don't know how to style bangs, so just try this roller method. And hopefully they go swoopy and like nice. Don't know if that's what I wanted. Yeah, I don't know how to do my bangs. That's fine. I should get going now. All right, here is a quick outfit check for the day. I have my Oakenfort sweater and denim forum boyfriend jeans. They're pretty old from Aritzia. Just some white socks. For jewelry, I have this vintage necklace from my grandma. It's a little horseshoe. This first ring is from Monica Vinader and this other one is from Linear. On the other hand, I have my favorite Vitali, I want to say it's the beam ring. I have it both in gold and silver. I wear this all the time. It's just so cute. It's a little smiley face. And then on my fingers, this is actually a new polish I got sent from Deborah Lippmann. So this is the new Deborah Lippmann spring collection in First Dance. It's a very pretty like pearl light pink. It's pulling a lot more pink on the camera. But yeah, you're wondering what's on my fingers, and that's what it is. So before we head out, I'm just gonna do a really quick try on of some of the white tops that I have for my DIY today. I have two options. This one's a little loose for what I want, but it's sheer, which is the vibe. And this one is option 2. This is from All Saints. It's a lot more fitted, which I think is what we want. This one is softer, but the arms fit really nice and the body fits nice, so maybe I might use this as a base to take this one in. This is the other piece that we're gonna use for our DIY today. So this is a helmet lang tank top that I've had forever. I think I got it at Winners or something. It's this like super sheer tank top. I don't even know how to wear it. I think it's supposed to be like low in the back, higher in the front, but I've honestly cannot say that I've ever worn this. It's just been in my closet because it is like helmet lang, so I was like, I'm not gonna get rid of it. It's so unflattering. It's so bad. So we're gonna be using a James Pierce, this sheer top mixed with this helmet lang top. It's gonna be magical, at least that's what I'm telling myself. made it to the sewing room. I just caught up with my grandma a bit. She was telling me all the things that she bought when she went to the mall the other day on this little outing with our aunt. So that was really cute. And the top that I'm trying to do or recreate is this Orseund Iris top with this, oof, I don't know if you can see that. This is what it looks like, and it retails for $295. I really do love this top. I think if I wasn't so DIY inclined, I might actually buy it because I feel like this is such a nice staple piece, but I mean, it's also unavailable on the website. So it looks like a really great elevated basic. I would love to have this added to my wardrobe. I love the long version. I think is just so delicate and dainty. The off the shoulder is also really pretty. I'm just not 100% sure if I can do that with the top that I have, with just how the arms are attached to the shirt. It might be okay, it might not be okay. We'll see. I think I'm just gonna leave the neckline as is on my top for now. May change. I also love like most of what Orseund Iris makes. I've done a few other like DIY tutorials on them, so I'll leave them linked up here or up here. I always forget which side it is on those YouTube cards, but I'll link those tutorials up there for your reference. But yeah, that's the plan for today, and that's what we'll be making. This might be hard to see because I'm using the other white long sleeve that fits me well to find the shape of it, but there's about an inch on either side of the body and then half an inch on the arm that I want to take in, and then we'll do a quick fit check. I'm just going to run this through the serger really quickly, but I'm just going to first mark it down. Doing things that I usually don't. Okay, so next I'm just taking a water-soluble fabric marker for this. This is the WX Adgar one. This is the one I really like. I ordered these off of AliExpress, and I think I ordered like 3. Originally I ordered 3 for like $2-3, but what came in the mail was 3 packs of 10. So I have an endless supply of these, and these are 10 out of 10. Some of the best fabric markers out there. It just comes out so easily with just a little bit of water, but definitely do a spot test if you're unsure. Yeah, I recommend these. Here is the top after the adjustments. It's a lot more fitted. It's currently inside out, but I'm pretty happy with it. I think maybe just like a little bit more on the inside of this armpit. Mainly it's because the sleeves or the shoulder is dropping too far off, but I don't think it's worth it to try to adjust that for this DIY. I think this is actually good enough. But yeah, pretty happy with this, and still move, it's still stretchy, super comfy. I think I'm gonna keep the neckline. I actually quite like it like this, and then we'll do like the bust draping portion, and if there's enough I'll also do it on the back, but if not we'll just do it on the front for the first time. Okay, so next I'm just gonna take this and cut it apart. It is very light and almost sticky. Like there, top done, just like, that's all I need. Oh, straight might even be really cute. This is gonna be so cute. I'm so excited for this top. It's also very hot in here, so I think I'm gonna keep this on instead of my sweater. I can't wear my sweater right now. Okay, snip snip time. think I'm actually gonna run the, like these bandeau parts through the sewing machine just to like hold it together. Just gonna take a quick measurement. Oh, okay, 3 inches, because I got itty bitty titties. So about 3 inches, 3.5, give or take. Yeah, 3.25, 3.5-ish for this portion. I think will be perfect. Kind of want a snack, I'm really hungry. It's like 4 p.m. right now. I know dinner's at 5:30. I'm just feeling munchy. I managed to find a granola bar in my bag, and I've already devoured most of it. It is currently 4:43. I don't think I'll be able to finish the top, but I'm gonna try to attach the front piece at least. And I settled on 3.5 inches for how wide it is, and I'm gonna set it 2 inches below the armpit seam to start. I haven't really figured out how I'm going to install it, but I think I'm just gonna hand stitch it all. I don't think there's like a great way to like machine stitch it unless I were to undo the side seam, insert the pieces, and then re-sew it. But I just don't want to bother with that. I just want this to be like an addition on top. So I think just for the raw edge here, I'll just be tucking it under ever so slightly and then sewing it down. Whether or not it works out, that is the question, but if you don't try, you'll never know. So that's what I'm gonna do for my next half an hour before I need to leave.
And then for the large, 1 pound and a bit.
Right, yep, that's right. Thank you.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, well, it's just as long as you're challenging yourself.
Is it busy here?
No, that's strawberry.
Which one? No, there is a cheese strawberry.
Shall you have a sugar and ice level?
30% sugar, no ice.
I'll get the cheese berry then. You have that? Yeah. Okay.
Scratch. $3. That's okay. Oh, $2 $3.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No.
Yes.